Welcome back to Turn Me Up JCav. I know y'all are gonna love this episode because today we're heading to the Caribbean with this delicious, nutritious tropical recipe. And if you're excited, you know what to do. Smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Now picture this, you're on a sun-soaked beach, the breeze is blowing, and in your hand is the most refreshing tropical drink you've ever tasted. Sounds like paradise? Well, today I'm bringing that paradise straight to your kitchen. So for a recipe today, we're using 1 ripe mango, about 2 cups of fresh pineapple, 1 banana, and 2 cups of coconut water. That's it, simple tropical goodness. So first up, coconut water. It's nature's sports drink. Packed with electrolytes, it's great for hydration and helps replenish your body, especially after a workout, and it tastes amazing. Next up, we've got delicious mango, followed with pineapple, which has bromelain, an enzyme that can help with digestion and inflammation. And finally, a banana, which helps to give the smoothie a creamy texture, plus it's loaded with potassium, which is amazing for heart health and muscle recovery. Mango was one of my favorite fruits growing up as we had a massive mango tree in our yard, so this recipe transports me back to Hannah's estate, Tortola. They're also full of vitamin C, which supports your immune system, and it helps to improve your bone health and heart health. Now, pineapple is high in manganese, which is a mineral that plays an essential role in the way our body metabolizes food, clots blood, and keeps your bones healthy. 1 cup of pineapple has more than half of the manganese you need every day. Plus, that sweet and tangy kick is unbeatable. And there you have it, a taste of a Caribbean. If you haven't been to the British Virgin Islands yet, add it to your bucket list. But until you can visit, this smoothie will transport you there with every sip. It's so refreshing, delicious, and good for you. Try it out and let me know how you like it. And if you're looking for the perfect coffee substitute, check out my video here and let me know down in the comment section below what's your favorite tropical smoothie recipe.